Do you want to know what it is? The Matrix is everywhere. You can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. This is your last chance. After this, there is no turning back. See it when you look out your window. Or when you turn on your television.
With them one bag of lippin' like a lipstick war. White pa me name like a biscuit war. Hey, fuck, tell the frag this is not kids war. Run up in a nigga and boy face pantar. Now the boy them panicking, cause them nah shot a soul, them only kill mannequin. The first head bust him vomiting, and no rifle clap on him vanishing. If you don't know nothing about real killer, so me tell you something about real killer. Real killer, I got chatting with no really not me dogs up, and them want really not. If you don't know nothing about real killer, but me tell you something about real killer. Head chop off and a spin like a wheel in a rifle bust through your shield in your friend them.
Never seen them on the bright lights. Give me slow, but so when the tight. Nah, like grip right, me steal in my tight. From the first sight, me no waste time. This is we with no textile out. If you think for a second, I run up on my mind. By anything in life, I know the bit done right.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is.
Sometimes I wonder if God would forgive me for the things I did. I know I'm not perfect and it's not worth it. As long as I'm living, it's not drilling. Sometimes I wonder if He would forgive me for all of my sins, responsible for all the killings. Big casket fame down in a lens. We have gone, we got doof down, we got roof. Tell a little pussy wall, put away them dus. God that can't save you when the east man them rise. He think me tall like a ream and bush down in a me heart where evil eye. Evil fingers and evil eye. If you deceive you, well enough people die. Couple it longer than KFC fries. And we a murder them. Them a nobody, cause nobody never heard of them. Torture the raper boy. I bet him never touch a girl again. Famous and dead looking face pan CNN.
You take the blue pill, the story ends. You take the red pill, you stay in Wonderland and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes. This is your last chance.